Unwanted impurities are separated with precision airflow. This is where the journey of rice begins, in vast golden fields. Every grain is carefully harvested by hand with precision. From field paths, rice begins its journey to modern processing systems. The harvested rice now moves toward large-scale processing. Traditional harvest meets industrial logistics. Every load is verified before entering the system.
High flight challenge accurate.
A world of precision and machinery awaits inside. The raw harvest now enters the heart of processing. The first transformation begins with controlled unloading. Raw grains now move into precision cleaning systems. Unwanted impurities are separated with precision airflow. Unwanted impurities are separated with precision airflow. Even invisible impure are eliminated from the grain. Each grain is measured for perfect moisture balance. Precision grading ensures uniform quality output. Only the finest grains proceed forward. Processed grains are stored for controlled refinement. Now the rice enters its refinement stage. Inside, the transformation of raw grain is about to intensify. The refined rice now enters a fully controlled transport network. All processing streams converge into one unified system. Automation ensures every movement is precise and efficient. The transition from inside processing to transport begins. Precision alignment ensures seamless loading efficiency.
Every grain is carefully secured for transport.
The journey from factory to distribution begins. Every shipment is verified for accuracy and safety. Even machines must be maintained for perfect delivery. The rice now reaches the central distribution network. Precision docking ensures efficient unloading. Automation and human coordination work side by side. Every batch is tracked and stored systematically. The journey continues, deeper into supply chain systems.